Can you imagine getting a third-degree burn and not even feeling it happen? That's the scary truth about working with wet concrete. Most people think it's just harmless gray mud, but the moment you add water, that powder turns into a highly aggressive chemical, strong enough to burn straight through your skin. And here's the worst part. You often don't feel anything at first. Hours can pass before the pain starts, when the damage is already done. So before you even think about mixing a batch, let's go over 3 simple rules that can keep you out of the emergency room and make sure your project is a success, not a disaster. Pouring concrete is one of the most satisfying projects you can do yourself, but one small mistake can cause serious pain and long-term injury. The good news? Staying safe is actually simple. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through 3 key rules to protect your skin, your back, and your lungs, so you can work confidently and finish the job safely. Rule number 1, the PPE rule. The biggest mistake people make is underestimating wet concrete. This isn't mud. Once water hits cement powder, it creates a chemical reaction with a pH as high as 12 or 13. To put that in perspective, your skin normally sits around 5.5. That is a massive chemical imbalance. Here's the trap. That imbalance starts damaging your skin immediately, often without pain. Burns can develop silently for hours, leading to severe rashes or even third-degree injuries that require medical treatment. So, rule number 1 is simple. Put a barrier between your body and the concrete. That means real, proper personal protective equipment, not old jeans and basic work gloves. You need to wear waterproof, alkali-resistant gloves that are long enough to cover your wrists. Use waterproof boots high enough to stop concrete from splashing inside. If you step into the pour, your boots must be taller than the concrete level. Always wear long pants and long sleeves. If wet concrete soaks into your clothes, stop immediately, remove them, and wash your skin thoroughly with clean water. And finally, never work without safety glasses or goggles. One splash to the eyes can cause permanent damage. Respect the concrete, wear the gear, and stay safe. Rule number 2, the lifting rule. Your back is not a crane. Concrete work is heavy work. A single bag can weigh up to 80 pounds. Repeated lifting, pushing wheelbarrows, and bending over puts massive strain on your body. Back injuries are one of the most common and long-lasting injuries in this line of work. The rule is simple, but it matters every time. Lift with your legs, not your back. Here is how you do it properly. Get close to the load. Keep your feet shoulder-width apart. Bend your hips and knees. Keep your back straight, and hold the load close to your body. When you stand up, use your legs to drive the weight up, not your lower back. And never twist while carrying weight. Turn with your feet instead. Listen, don't be a hero. Use wheelbarrows, move smaller loads, and clear a smooth path before you start. One extra trip is far better than months of back pain. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more practical, real-world safety guidance. And let me know in the comments, what are you building next? Work safe, stay aware, and go home healthy. Rule number 3, the workspace rule. Protect your lungs and your step. Some of the most dangerous risks in concrete work are invisible. Dry concrete contains crystalline silica. When that dust becomes airborne during mixing, cutting, or grinding, it can scar your lungs permanently. Long-term exposure can lead to silicosis, chronic lung disease, or even cancer, so minimize dust whenever possible. Wear at least a proper dust mask, ideally an N95 respirator. Stand upwind while mixing, and use water-fed tools when cutting or grinding concrete. Just as important, keep your work area clean. Loose tools, scrap wood, rebar, and wet surfaces quickly become trip hazards. Slips and falls are common on concrete jobs, especially when surfaces are slick. Clear your path before starting. Cover exposed rebar ends, and know where your footing is at all times. Conclusion. Let's recap. Rule 1. Protect your skin and eyes from chemical burns with proper, waterproof PPE. Rule 2. Protect your back by lifting correctly and working smart. Rule 3. Protect your lungs from dust and keep your workspace clear to prevent falls. Concrete lets you build strong, lasting projects with your own hands. By respecting the risks, you make sure the only permanent result is the work you're proud of, not an injury you live with.